I'm Tess Schultz with Tulip Square, and today I'm going to show you how to make this log cabin circle block. It's super easy to make, so let's head over to the sewing machine and I'll show you how to put it together. Okay, so to make this circle, we're going to make 4 identical blocks and then combine them into one. And all of our background color, which is the blue here, is going to be 1 inch by various lengths. And then the foreground or circle color are going to be 1.5 inch by various lengths. And all of these measurements are in the PDF that you can download. So we've got, I'll tell you what they are quickly. So that's 1.5 inches, 3.5, 4.5, and then 2, 3, 5, and 6 inches. And then this one is, these are all 1 inch wide by 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 4.5, 5 inches, and then this is 3, 3.5, 6, 6.5. So let's get to sewing. First, you're going to take your squares, your 1.5 inch squares, 1.5 inch, and the 1.5 inch rectangles. And you're going to sew those together right there. Make sure you have nice 1/4 inch seams everywhere, and that way everything will line up nicely as it should. Okay, I'm going to press towards the darkest color. Now we're going to take the next blue piece, and with this blue on the bottom, we're going to put this piece on the left hand side, just like that, and press that towards the dark color. With the blue L on the left, we're going to add this, take the smallest yellow piece and add that to the top, just like that. And we're going to press that out. We're going to always just press out toward the piece that we just added. And now we're going to add the next yellow piece to the right hand side, just like this. And we'll press that. Now with that blue L on the bottom left still, we're going to take the dark blue piece and add that to the left. Now we add the next dark blue to the bottom. So we're always going to add blue to the left and the bottom and yellow to the top right. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow. And we'll press. Now we move back to the light yellow that we started with. So we're always alternating light and dark blue and then light and dark yellow. Now we add the last light yellow piece to the right hand side, right there. Now we'll do another layer of blues, starting here on the left. And then one at the bottom. Now we've got one more round of yellow on the top. And one more on the right hand side. Almost done. Now we'll add one more blue stripe to the left. And one more to the bottom. Now we've got 4 log cabin blocks done, and we're going to put them together like this to make a circle. So first we're going to sew these together just like that. And we're going to press those. Doesn't matter which way you press these, but press them both the same, so then for this step they will nest together nicely. So you're just going to sew that together right there. And Now just press that and you're done. And there you have it, log cabin circle. Wasn't that easy to do? All of the cutting measurements are in a free PDF that you can download. There's a link in the description, and we also have a couple of examples of how it might look when you use sashing and borders and everything, so make sure you get that. And if you like this block and you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell so you'll be notified every time we put up a new video. And check out our website at tulipsquare.com so you can find all of our quilt blocks and all of our other patterns, and everything's there. And we will see you next time, and until then, happy sewing!